Hello everyone, welcome to Placement Raja. Today we will discuss about multi-threading in Java with live examples, and I will show you how you create threads in Java and thread creation and how you can execute them. Suppose now we want to know what is multi-threading. Multi-threading is concurrent execution of Multi-threading is concurrent execution of two or more parts of a program. More parts of a program at the same time. In real life, multi-threading is similar to multitasking. Suppose in real life, if you want to watch the movie, if you want to eat, if you want to talk with someone, you can do all the programs, all the works at sequentially, that is one after the another sequentially, or you can do all that at the same time, that is multitasking. Why we need is multitasking. You can do all the things in sequentially, like watch the movie, then you can eat, then you can talk in phone with your friends. But if you do sequentially, it will waste your time and you can't fully utilize your time. Suppose if you do all at the same time, all those tasks at the same time, it will save your time and you can utilize your resources fully, and you can utilize your time also. So this is about multitasking, and why we sometimes there is no choice for us except multitasking. So suppose in a running race, all runners should run at same time. Then if you want to simulate this running race, how we can do? Generally people know only about sequential programming. Few of them know about parallel programming. In sequential programming, you can execute one statement, then another statement, only one after the other it will be executed. But here all runners should run at the same time. So here multitasking is useful, and multitasking can be implemented by multi-threading or multiprocessing. We will discuss about multi-threading. First. Multi-threading is creating a Java program with multiple threads. And how you can create thread. We will see first about thread creation. Thread creation in Java. This is the thing you need to know about now. How you can create thread. Thread can be created by extending thread class. Extracting thread class, or implementing runnable interface. First we will say about extending thread class, then I will show you how you implement runnable interface. In extending thread class, okay, you will see the code. I told you already, you should extend a thread class to create a thread. So this is our main program, and this is our running race class. To make it as a thread, to make threads working possible, you should extend it with thread class. extended with thread class, then by creating object of this race class, object is nothing but thread now, because this race class is extended from the thread class. This thread class is in java.long.thread. This thread class is from java.long.thread. So you are importing this thread class, and you can use all these thread functions here. This run function is nothing but it is available in thread class. Now what you need to do is you need to override this function. Override this run function from java.long.thread class function. That run function is in java.long.thread. By implementing here, what you are doing is you are just overriding that thread function, run function which is in thread class. Suppose what you will do here is suppose I am taking a live example. Suppose if you want to conduct a running race between two people, like between Usain Bolt and Tyson Gay, and so these two runners should run parallelly at the same time. So now this multi-threading is useful. I will show you how I am creating threads and how I am writing. So this will be override function. What I will do is, if I will create object of this race class, runner equal to, you can create object by using new operator. So now runner is a thread object of the race class, and we can treat it as a thread. If you want to give name to this runner, to this thread, we can do this by thread. Suppose I want to create first Usain Bolt, new thread of. What I am doing is, this Usain Bolt should work on this runner object, and his name is Usain Bolt. The second argument is nothing but the name of the thread, and first argument is where this thread should work on. This thread should work on this runner, which is the object of the race. In race there are two runners, and first runner is Usain Bolt, and second runner is thread Tyson equal to new thread of same. This Tyson guy should also run on the same running race. So Tyson will run on runner object only. Now I have created two threads, and as soon as countdown starts, they both should run. So before making them run, I will prepare this running platform, like suppose there is a 100-meter sprint competition between these two players. So I am taking a loop for 100 meters. See, now what I am doing is, I am checking at each time who is leading, or which runner is at which position. We can see that by using this thread dot current thread dot get name of. What I am doing here is I am just printing who is at which position. See, this thread is that Java. This is the thread class from java.long.thread, and current thread will give which threading is running this function, and dot get name of. I have just now I defined names for these two threads, and get name will give names of either Usain Bolt or Tyson Gay, whoever entered this loop. So this is just used to know that who is running at which position. See, now I have created this, and I am going to make countdown like Usain dot start off. As soon as this occurs, Usain thread will execute. Now Tyson will run. So what is here happening is this start of function will invoke this run function in thread class. This run function in thread class is overridden by this function. Run function in thread class is overridden by this function, so this will execute automatically as soon as I invoke this start function. This will invoke run function thread class, and that will be overridden by this run function. So this loop will run finally. So if you want to see the output, we can see here. See, I am running this program. Now we got the output. See, Tyson covered 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, 4 meter, 5. Now Usain Bolt covered 4 meters. When Usain Bolt is at 4 meters, Tyson is at 9 meters. So both are running parallelly, and finally who won the? See, both are running parallelly, and by this we can know that who can win the race. And so now two threads are running parallelly. Now we have implemented this by using first method, that is by extending thread class, and you can also do the same by just implementing runnable interface. See, just what I will do is just remove this and implements runnable. Both will do the same. What will happen here is, instead of extending thread class, we are just implementing runnable interface. This runnable is also from thread.long.runnable. Thread class is from java.long.thread. Now this is from java.long.runnable. So this will also give the same output. You can also create thread by implementing runnable class. So no need to change anything. Just we have to change here extends thread or implements runnable. See output of this program. See, here also when Usain Bolt is at 100 meters, Tyson is at 900 meters. Now Usain Bolt won the race. So by these two methods you can implement threads in Java. And if you want to know the differences between these two methods, I will show you simply. Disadvantages of extending thread. Disadvantages of first method, that is extending thread. What are disadvantages is Java doesn't support multiple inheritance. That is, if you what is happening here is we are already here extending thread class, extend thread. So we are already extending here thread class. Now if we want to extend one more base class, we can't do it because Java doesn't support multiple inheritance. Suppose if we use this implements runnable, still we have a chance to extend another class if the class is there. So here I didn't describe any another class. Suppose if any class is there, like class something stadium. Suppose if this class is there, you can do this, extends stadium, no problem. So if you want to extend one more class, this will be helpful. So if you want to extend one more class, this implements runnable will be useful. Otherwise you can go on with extends thread. And what are the disadvantages with I will show you what are the disadvantages of using implementing that is implementing runnable interface are that is thread class have some basic functions like thread.yield. I will explain this about this is a function which can be used to do context switch. Suppose here I have created two threads, Hussein and Tyson. Suppose if Tyson want to give yield, that is Tyson is already covered 199 meters, and Tyson want to give a chance to this Hussein. He can use this. This is thread.yield. After running this, that Hussein will be see, I will show with the example. Suppose if I is the distance here, I equal to 50 and thread dot current thread dot get name. This is totally string. I'm just doing here string comparison. Usain Bolt. Then what we can do here is, what is happening here is I equal to 50. It means distance is 50 meters, and thread dot current thread dot get name of, so get name of that is, it will give the name of the thread. And if it is equal to Usain Bolt, that means if Usain Bolt is running and he already covered 50 meters, then he can give a chance to Tyson Gay, that is he can be yield. So he will yield now, that is you don't want to run something like that. So this is the basic property of the thread class, which is not available in runnable interface. So this is the disadvantages of runnable interface. So we can see the output of this one. See, after Tyson Gay covered 100 meters, then only Usain Bolt is running. Maybe he will yield here somewhere. This is just a context switching between. So this is used for context switch. Yield is used for context switching between threads. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of these two methods. If you have any doubts, please comment, and thanks for watching this video.